This aquarium is not what I expect. There's so many different things. We got sharks, eels, big arapaima, there's stingrays, coral, freshwater fish, saltwater, baby axolotls. I don't even know where to start.
Nautilus in place?
Do I follow this man down this abandoned, dark, sketchy aquarium? Dude, I'm sweating like crazy. I'm not even really sure if I'm supposed to be in here. One of the most dangerous animals in the world. In this pond, massive pack of piranhas. These things just got crazy. Like, what the actual? Feed the sharks. Saw this man pet an arapaima. Feeding the electric eel right now. Ever had any accidents? Oh God, what's up? We're here today in Lima, Peru. This is the Nautilus Aquarium. This is the largest aquarium here in Peru. It's pretty much the only aquarium in Peru. I tried to find like other fish stores or places to show you, and there's really not much. Even though there's 11.5 million people in the city, there's not really a big aquarium community. It doesn't seem like there's many fish shops or aquariums, but lucky for you guys, this place has everything from freshwater to saltwater reef tanks. There's gonna be exotics like reptiles and amphibians. Whatever you're into, I think this place is gonna have something that you're gonna get excited about. All right, let's go check it out.
Nautilus in place?
A little.
A little bit? Okay, 2 tickets.
2 tickets.
Yeah.
It's like I'm talking to a prisoner. Thank you. All right, we got 2 tickets. They cost $7 each. Ceviche? Queremos ver los peces vivir. Ceviche, that's dead fish. We're here to see live fish. I'll give this to you. Okay. Guys, what I'm looking at right now is like the craziest thing I've ever seen at a public aquarium. The biggest electric eel I've ever seen in my entire life. Right here, we have one of the world's most dangerous animals. This is the electric eel. This thing has enough electricity to literally power a car battery. And this has got to be the biggest electric eel I've ever seen. I'd say it's at least 5.5, 6 feet. It may even just be as tall as me. There's actually a pipe that runs underneath this bridge that the electric eels like slither through to get between the 2 ponds. And then right here, we actually have 3 more. This one is still actually gargantuan, another 5-foot electric eel. You can see there's 2 more little ones underneath there. And that is the size of the electric eels that I'm used to seeing. Yeah, honestly, I'm shocked. No pun intended. It's dinner time in the electric eel pit. Oh, you need to give it like a, dude, that thing is crazy. People? Very nice. He's actually gotten shocked by the electric eel before. All right, so he put the gloves on. Oh God, what the? That is like the biggest electric eel I've ever seen in my life. This man is crazy. Guys, I thought I was cool by putting piranhas in my backyard pond. They put electric eels in their outdoor pond. When you think about it though, it's actually not that crazy because technically electric eels do live in habitats like this in the wild. So if anything, it kind of makes more sense that it'd be in like a little pool pond like this. Dude, what? Guys, there is like a 4-foot black-tipped reef shark in here. Wow, that's really cool. So this is Alejandro, and he's gonna be teaching us a little bit more about the shark and this aquarium. What do you have here?
Bueno, tenemos aquí bonito. Es un tipo de pez que tenemos acá en el Perú.
So this is a type of fish called bonito, which means pretty. Some bonito. So he's gonna feed the shark. Oh, he's got like whole fish. All right, this has to be one of the craziest like fish feeding things. There's a man just wearing a yellow tank top, like walking around about to feed a whole fish to it. Oh my God, guys.
This is the arapaimas.
Look at this aquarium. They literally took 5 aquariums and like stitched them together to create this one epic long monster Amazonian tank. There are predator catfish in here. There are red-tailed catfish in here. And then there's gotta be at least 6 or 7 arapaima. Arapaima come from the Amazon jungle. They're the largest scaled freshwater fish in the world. They are the definition of Amazonian river monsters. They're pretty epic fish, and to see this many in one place, kind of crazy. And it looks like they're about to feed them.
You can eat in ceviche.
All right, I think I just saw this man pet an arapaima. This man in the yellow tank top continues to amaze me. So they just know when you knock on the glass that you're gonna feed them. Whoa, that is some serious power. It's lunchtime, so all of the fish here in the aquarium, they're about to feed. This is a massive wall of saltwater aquariums. It almost kind of feels like I'm in a fish shop right now. Filled with coral. We got soft coral. He's feeding these massive 2 anemones.
They're gonna close up on that.
So the food just like moves into the mouth of the anemone.
it's gonna take a while.
And close on it. Look at these black ice clownfish. Tons of huge, fluffy rhodactis mushrooms. This is a massive piece of coral. This entire floor of Mahanos. We got all these little baby Astorina starfish in here. We got a whole colony of rainbow anemones. Do you see how rainbow they are? They're like green bases with pink tips. And you see the big clownfish? Look how big that clownfish is. In here we got green bounce mushroom corals. You see those big bubbles that are forming? The Kenya tree, which are like baby Groots. And then look at this. We even got a little bit of Aquashella themed artwork. It's UV, so if you turn the light off, it's glowing. So this fish is really rare. I've never seen this before, but you see this blue tang? He's almost black. Black, blue, and yellow. And it's definitely something you don't see every day. Now this whole wall right here is just different kinds of tropical freshwater fish. Oh, and they have axolotls. Look, they're baby axolotls. Oh my God. Dude, these little guys are so cute. These are just babies. These are a type of goldfish called bubble eye goldfish, and they have these massive bubbly eyes. They can pop, but if you pop them, I think they just regenerate those bubbles. So for whatever reason, that's the way they are. That's the way they're supposed to be. Got some glowfish. Oh, these are the 2 big mama axolotls. This is how big they can get. They're very pretty when they're this pink coloration, and they're very cute. Oh, we got a crayfish in here. Look at that, you see the little red lobster? And then right here, we have some albino frogs. Ooh, those are kind of freaky. Dude, what? Look at this, oh my God. This is a massive pack of piranhas. Dude, they're moving like a huge unit. It's so cool to see piranhas move that way. Wow, that's crazy. They're pretty scared. Piranhas are really shy and timid fish, so you can see how scared they're getting every time I get near them. They're just squirming. See, now I want like 50 red belly piranhas for my home aquarium. Okay, over here, this is a big fish. We have these massive black pacu. Now, pacu are related to piranha, but they're not piranha. They get absolutely enormous. He looks like he may hurt me if he had the chance to. And you have all these little baby arowana inside of here. I don't know if their plan is to just like grow them out.
Te sigo en YouTube, a ti.
You see on YouTube?
Sí.
That's what's up.
Estuviste en Colombia.
Yeah, we filmed some videos in Colombia. Yeah.
Peces proveemos, somos importadores.
You guys import fish.
Sí.
Cool.
¿Puedo tomar una foto?
Yeah, for sure. Wow, look at this. We got a massive flower horn. Dude, this thing is like the size of my face. Oh my God, this is one of the biggest flower horns I've probably ever seen. I love how he's like hiding behind his own little poster. The flower horn fish is known for having this massive head. Flower horns are really aggressive, so this makes me pretty happy to see that this entire aquarium, 200 gallons, is just for this flower horn. All right, so it looks like they give presentations in here. Right off the bat, we have a saltwater aquarium and we have a freshwater aquarium. Most of the times clownfish and blue tangs fight like they do in the movie Finding Nemo. Yeah, surprisingly, they're getting along. We got Marlin and Dory. It makes me want to like stand up here and give a presentation about Aquashella. Dude, look at this guy. Look at this little black eel right here. You see him? Whoa. He looks like one of those inflatable things, like the balloons. He's just going crazy, man. You got this massive white sea bay anemones, and you can see 2 or 3 clownfish just vibing in there. So this is part of the filtration for the aquarium. Wow. They got sand filters, they got big protein skimmers. It's legit. When you have fish this big, you gotta have equipment that's good enough to keep up with the biological. All right, so I guess we're going upstairs now? Oh, all right, so up here on the 2nd floor, there are tons of freshwater Amazonian fish. So we got the big black diamond piranha here. It's officially the largest piranha I've ever seen. The piranhas that I keep at home are the red belly piranhas. This is a different kind of piranha. It's the most aggressive piranha. It's just huge. It's so big that words can't describe it. Down here we got some clown loaches. We got parrotfish. We got angelfish, silver dollars, massive schools of neon tetras in this tank. In here, this is the Hemigrammus blairy. This is a fish that Heiko discovered. So that's one of my favorites. And these are huge. They're really, really fat and really big. Tons of other types of tetras in here. Wow, dude, right over here, this is a massive discus aquarium. Orange and blue discus. The entire floor of this tank is covered with like green Christmas moss and driftwood. Alejandro is feeding the discus. Wow, look at that. They are hungry. Discus are so cute. They're just massive little pancakes. These guys are really cute. They're black and white little puffballs. They're like Dalmatian fish, or Oreo fish, or orca fish, or cowfish, or the newspaper fish. I could keep going. But the real name of these fish are the bowler parrotfish. Why is this guy all by his lonesome over here? That's so weird. Why is he all alone and he's not hanging out with the crew? We got some massive angelfish down here. Down here, we got these catfish. And then we got some knifefish over here. These are freaky. Oh, then look at the little green spotted pufferfish. Alejandro's saying that these are apistogrammas. This is one of the fish that we caught with Heiko Blair in the Amazon. But he's saying these are from Peru?
Yes, it's from Peru.
Wow. They're beautiful. Look at this one. Beautiful fish. I would love to keep some of these in an aquarium. This is a super long freshwater planted tank. It's got like 3 massive islands, and they're just growing different kinds of plants in here. They got some albino plecos in here. Those are pretty cool. And then look at this. In here, they even have some little freshwater shrimp. He's like, wee, wee, wee. And then this is kind of cool. This is like a curved aquarium. Look at this, we got some neon tetras. These guys are schooling in here. There's a bunch of rainbow fish. Look at this, oh my God. All right, so right here we have like 8 or 9 different little ponds with different fish and animals in here. All right, so these are fancy goldfish. I think they're called like Rolanda goldfish, or I don't know my fancy goldfish. I just know that they are fancy. From Luke's Goldies, if you're watching this right now, what kind of goldfish are these? Please tell us all in the comment section below. These are really cool. These are like tanchos. You see how they got just like the red dots on their head? Hi, buddy. Hi. Look at all these little babies. Oh my God, they're so cute. All right, we got a bunch of turtles here. Seems like a lot of turtles for that small of space. There's also what seems to be a swarm of bees. I don't know what's going on anymore. But these are so cute. Look at these. You see his little yellow face? Oh, I'm sorry, I scared him. I'm not sure if he's frightened by the bees or by the amount of space that he has left to grow into. Oh, look at that. A massive outdoor koi pond. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Weed 'em kois. Hi, Scoobies. I wish I had some food to give you. So right here we have this outdoor saltwater lagoon, and there's a bunch of stingrays in here. Stingrays are super, super curious. The 3 flapjacks. That is so cool. Little anemones, I think they're actually mahanos. Starfish, some massive urchins. The coral restaurant. For so many years I've been so used to feeding my coral. Now the coral is gonna feed me.
And ceviche.
Okay, I had to come to the coral restaurant. Apparently I'm gonna be eating the seafood as well today. So this is a ceviche. This is like the most popular dish they have here in Peru. It's basically just raw fish with lime, and the acidity from the lime like makes it super fresh and kills all the potential bacteria on it. So I guess this is what's on the menu for everybody in this aquarium. No wonder the arapaima come swimming so fast when they knock on the windows. Click right here to see another amazing public aquarium tour that I visited. George, out.